Oh, hi guys, you made it. Hold on, let me just finish these eggs. Put this egg here. And put the next egg here. Okay, this is ready. This, and I don't need this right now, but oh, I forgot. I made some tea. Right here. Oh, this is ready. Oh, where do I put this? Oh. All right, I need to put these in here. Ah! Went crazy. These are ready though. Okay. I'll put them here. Oh, I think I should put out some water on them. It squeezes them out because there's a hole, but y'all just can't see it. Oh, I'll make that there. Okay. Here and now. Forgot to turn it up. There we go. It's gonna start boiling. Actually, I think I should wash my hands. These are a lot. They said they'll be ready and fast in the package. Okay, they're done. Now, oh, I forgot to put this here. Wow. There we go. They said they're not really hot. Let's start with these, and this here. And some people say that it tastes good with hot dogs here. Okay. Bye guys, thank you for watching my videos. Like, subscribe, comment. Wait, go watch my new video. It's like unhealthy versus healthy. Go watch it right now after this video.